What do you do whenever it starts snowing really hard?
I pee in it.
Well, I like to get in the car and drive it.
Let's do it. Road trip. That man has a spatula. This works like a charm. Alright, we'll resume when we find wreckage.
Oh, you front-wheel drive in a Mazda, you think you'd have more traction.
Dude, I think you're doing well. You should have seen me. That wasn't pretty.
You know what I don't like to see? I don't like to see road. I like to see it all packed down.
I like to get out the sled.
You know, the reason these roads are so nice is because the big town of Duncan is so prepared. As you can see, all the salt trucks and sand trucks out.
Alright, dude. Dude, I think I need to borrow your pinnacle. I know he just doesn't seem to be cutting it for some reason. So I can get it figured out.
Yeah, we can figure it out. You got that disc, don't you? Nope. Ooh, the disc is good. I bet you probably have a new. Oh, I bet you have it. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna forget the place. That's with that the pinnacle.
Yeah.
We can. It exports perfect to that. Anything board, it exports.
Good.
Whatever you need to do for the. You can put in a small video for my website. But I know you can do that with. Anyone else can do that? Don't care. I can put it on my head and hang my head down by the road. You can put it on a number. Yeah. Right next to the tire. Something to do it. Oh, that's good block. And then over there. Yeah, you got it. You got it. That's cool. Like that's the snow they got. About the snowplow man. People who get snowplow, they want to it's like a snow they can have things. But the whole thing, what they're doing is just off getting out the. Wait, snow day? Yeah. What are you talking about? Yeah, the dogs? No, that takes one. Snow day gets 2 days. Big wind, man. Big wind. 91 or so. That was okay? Yeah.
Whoa, that's a tree.
Daddy, come get a shot out here.
Hold on, baby.
Hey, you want to see how to make a snowball? A massive round. Is that all on your hands? They go numb after a while. I went pro.
Nice.
Let me show you something. This is a snowball.
Who moved that snowball?
Sorry.
There, toss it to me. Don't throw it out.
Stop.
Let's
Lisa.
Look at this. Go look at this.
Are you stuck?
Yeah, watch the wheels, dude. The whole thing moves.
You're good.
Oh, wow. Man, that is just straight ice.
You gonna be able to get out? Probably.
Oh, yeah. That's if my clutch works.